I know it's 2019, and I know that you know that I'm all about business and taking yourself and making as much money as you can as an artist. So anytime there's an idea, I'm gonna give it to you, especially if it makes sense and if it's a smart thing. That's why I call it a smart rapper, because you need as much money as you can to invest back into your career. So today I'm gonna give you something that's gonna help you make money as a music artist, okay? That's actually free for you to do. And it's easy for you to do, and you probably won't expect it. By the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use this to help promote yourself, boost your sales, and make more money as an artist, okay? Which is the goal, right? That's what you want, right? I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper, the #1 place for rappers on the internet, period. See that enthusiasm? Period. I mean it, okay? We're #1, all right? You're about to get smarter today. Hit me with a subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and hit that little bell because I release a new video every single day. We're just gonna stay on top and nobody's gonna outdo us, okay? We're taking over, and you're about to get smarter and be able to make a little bit more money for yourself right after the intro.
If there's anything I know is you ain't built like this. Hit it so hard, make a brain say quit. I ain't no fraud, no gangster or goon. I just wanna accept disrespect or lose. Now follow me to greatness, show you what it take. Show you how to use curse, show you how to hate it. Hungry for more like a Lloyd Banks playlist. Still like the only person not up in the matrix.
And as I'm sure you already know, that song that played in the intro is my new song. If you want to check that out, I'd really appreciate it. There's a Spotify link below as well as a SoundCloud link and the iTunes link. You click it and it shows you, gives you an option to go to wherever you want. Please give my song a listen. I think that you're really going to like it. And if you do, please add it to a playlist that helps me in this Spotify algorithm. Thank you so much. I'm helping you help me out. I really appreciate it, okay? Thank you very much. Now, let's go ahead and get into this, okay? First, let's start with how many people actually have cell phones in North America, in the United States. Damn near all of them, okay? The US population, according to Google, is around 328 million people. That's a lot of people. But it also says that about 300 million people have cell phones. Or that's how many have been given to people. I don't know if that's right, but hey, don't blame me, blame Google. And what do all of these phones have? Ringtones. I know the idea of selling ringtones may seem outdated, but if you keep watching this video, you're gonna be really surprised by something. Because I just found out how to make money from it. First, let me do a little history to show you how much money ringtones were generating and why they were a very large way that artists made money and the way the labels monetized the artist, okay? At the height of the ringtone rap era, and this is around 2006, global sales for just ringtones, okay? $4.6 billion. That's crazy. And with inflation, that's more like probably like $6 billion probably. Any rapper then who had a hit song was typically saying that they made at least $1 million from the ringtone from that song. It makes complete sense too. Now in 2007, just rap alone made $881 million. Just rap, okay? So the other number included pop music, all music, country music. Now just rap made almost $1 billion. Now in comparison, only 500.5 million albums were actually sold in that same year. People bought more ringtones than they did albums. That makes sense, right? Pretty sure I heard T-Pain said that he sold 30 million ringtones one time. I'm pretty sure I heard him say that. It may have been higher. I think he said something about he made $60 million off of ringtones, but I think 30 million makes more sense, but maybe it was 60 million. It was T-Pain. He was very relevant for a long time. So this makes me think, we still all have to choose ringtones for our song. And even though it seems douchey, wanna guess what my ringtone is? It's my own song. It really is. Because here's the thing, my phone goes off a lot, so just my ringtone going off, and there's nobody here, because I actually wrote in the script to have somebody call me, but nobody's here with me. Nobody's here right now to do that, and I gotta knock this video out, okay? But when you call me, my ringtone, like when you text me, it's just a snippet, a little piece of my song, and then when you call me, it's a full song, right? And what this does is, one, when it goes off in public, people hear it. It promotes me. People are like, what song is that? What song is that right there? I let it play when somebody calls too. I'm like, you know what I'm saying? And then it also reminds me to make more music, because what music's playing? It sounds stupid, but every little piece adds up. I don't care. Every time a text goes off, it's not a ding, it's a noise. It reminds me I'm an artist. You should be doing the same thing. It's like a reminder all day long. Anytime you get a text, it makes a noise, okay? And if you're smart, it'd be your ad lib. If you got an ad lib, make it your ad lib, because then it reminds you every time. You'd be like, yeah. Now stick with me here, because I'm gonna show you how you can use this to make your fans more supportive and how to make more money. A lot of your fans that love your music, they be hardcore fans right now. The thing is, they're probably not thinking, even though they love a certain song of yours, they listen to it every day, they're probably not thinking about making it their ringtone. And if they are, they're probably not gonna cut the file up for the audio and then put it on their phone, because there's all these extra layers and extra steps to getting that process done. Now, Smart Rapper, what I took from all of this was that I'm stupid for never realizing the massive power of giving my fans something that they didn't even know that they wanted. You just have to show your fans that it even exists, because nobody thinks about it anymore, okay? Cutting the catchiest parts of your best songs, the choruses up, or even cutting your most lyrical 4-bar pieces of your songs up and making them free for download, or something you could actually sell to your fans, it's actually smarter than most people think it is. It'll only take you about 10 minutes to do this. Now I'm gonna tell you a few ways using these ringtones can benefit your career. Number one, you can take these ringtones and you can upload them to the Apple Music or iTunes, whatever. You can upload them to all these stores and allow your fans to download them, and then tell them, hey, I put these up for you guys. You guys can go download these if you want them, okay? And people support you. They'll go buy them, even if it's just 50 cents or $1. They'll go buy them, because if it's songs that they know, if it's their favorite songs, they're probably gonna buy it, because people will buy anything that you tell them to buy if they support you. And it's take you 10 minutes to do this, man. You also want to have them up there just in case, because you never know when somebody trickles in, finds your music, goes to iTunes, goes to Apple Music, goes wherever, goes to Google Play, goes to the store. They then see, oh, he's got songs, oh, and he's got a ringtone. Oh, that's dope, I'm gonna buy this too. You never know. It needs to be an option. You're losing money by not doing this. I will be doing this with all of my new songs, by the way, just so you know, okay? So I'm not just like saying this, I'm doing this for sure. So if you want to buy my ringtone, right, I don't know if it's gonna be out when this video drops, because I don't know when I'm dropping this video, but it will be there. So if you want to keep looking, it's gonna be there. Thank you for your support. Number two, what you can do is you can take this and you can put it on your website for 100% free for any of your fans and say, hey, here it is, 100% free, make it your ringtone. Now every time it plays in public and you're getting promotion. Every time it plays, it reminds them of your song. Every time it plays, they may go to your Spotify, your Apple Music, and stream your song. What happens when that happens? You are getting paid from the stream. And they're consistently all day reminded of you. They're reminded the fact that you're an artist that they like enough to make their ringtone. They're with their friends and their friends hear the ringtone. Their friends are reminded of you as an artist, which means they eventually convert over and like your music. This is how, I mean, I'm telling you, like, it's just common sense how this is happening, okay? Also, you can give it out to your email list. You have an email list, you can email blast it to everybody so they all have the option to get it. You can make it something that if people want it, it's a free download, but they have to join your email list to get it. There's so many things you can do here, man. What I think you could also do too, and I think this is smart when I was talking about increasing the amount of money that you can make, is if you're already gonna sell t-shirts, you're gonna sell hats, you're gonna sell wristbands, you're gonna sell all these things, and autographed CDs, which I still recommend you sell CDs, because people are like, well, why would I sell an autographed CD? Because people want your autograph, right? You don't want to autograph a hat or a shirt, they're gonna wear that, it's gonna get dirty. But if you autograph a CD, people are gonna keep that forever, okay? They still will take an autographed CD, so you should still sell autographed CDs, man. It costs you less than $1 to get them made up in bulk, and then you're selling them for $15, all because it has your autograph on it. Now the reason I'm telling you this is inside of that bundle with all of the hat and the shirt and the autographed CD, you also say here, you can make it exclusive. This ringtone, I have a 10 ringtone pack or a 5 ringtone kit of my favorite songs of mine. I'm not even gonna tell you which ones they are, but if you buy this bundle, you'll know my 5 favorite songs, and the ringtones are just the choruses from songs you know, but you don't know which one's my favorite. That's a bonus piece of the bundle that comes with it as a digital download. People don't think about this stuff, man. I've never seen this. I made this up. I've never seen anybody do this as something that's gonna increase, when you're increasing the value. You're giving them more reason to buy something, meaning you make more sales. Well, not only does it come with 2 wristbands and a t-shirt and a hat and an autographed CD, but I wanna know what his favorite songs are. Like, don't say what the songs are. I wanna know what his favorite songs are, and I get these ringtones. I never even thought about making my ringtones. I just wanna own them. I wanna have them in my phone. Bro, come on, man. People buying merchandise from you are exactly the same people that would use your song as a ringtone. You might as well put it, if anything, at least make this part of your bundle pack, because those same people who are spending money, $60, $70, $80 on t-shirts that they're gonna wear with your face or your lyrics on it, your logo, those are the people who would play and put your ringtone on their freaking phone, man. That's the same person. So give them the ringtones. At the least, give them the ringtone. That's what I'm saying. At the least, if you took anything from this video, that right there will increase your profits. That right there will make people make that their ringtone. Because if they're actually gonna buy it, though, they will make that their ringtone. That was worth it. It's only gonna take you 15 minutes to go into a session of Pro Tools or whatever you use and say, I love this chorus. I'm gonna export this as an MP3 in high quality. There's one, there's another one, it's gonna take you 15 minutes, man. If you don't do this, you're lazy. I'm just telling you, then you have it. Even if you just do it right now, you may not use it right now, but you may use it when you get the merch. You may use it tomorrow. You don't know. Just go do it. Just stop procrastinating. Leave this video and either go watch another one of my videos or go and freaking cut up some songs. Now also number 4 I had on here on the script, which I forgot because I already had kind of mentioned it, but if you take that 5-pack, and remember I said you can offer the individual one to get people on your email list? Well, here I'm saying you can take the 5-pack of songs that people don't know your favorite songs. You say my 5 favorite songs and use the mystery behind that of them wanting to know your 5 favorite songs to join your email list. They will then get the 5 songs and potentially use the songs, but they'll actually learn what your favorite songs are. So you have a higher chance that they'll sign up for your email list, which you want. We have talked about email lists a bunch of times here. If you have 10,000 people on an email list and you send an email out saying I'm selling a t-shirt and 1,000 people open it and 20 people buy a t-shirt out of everybody on the list, like I'm just being, these are reasonable numbers. 20 people buy a t-shirt at $20, you made $400 from sending one email to 10,000 people. But you're probably gonna get more than that. Each email blast, you can make $1,000. You need to start building your email list. I have an entire course that's 100% free on Smart Rapper on how to build your email list and all that stuff. It's super stupid easy because you can have up to 2,000 people on your email list for free before you even have to pay for it, okay? I'll put a link below for that, all as a thank you for being part of the community, okay? There's tons of resources. You need to be inside of the Smart Rapper community for real. Remember when people make you the ringtone, their friend's gonna go, what is that? What's that ringtone? What is that? Why does that keep going off every time your phone goes off? Oh, that's Rob Level. He's my favorite artist. That ringtone, yeah, he gave me this ringtone. Then like, that's actually really smart. Then they're gonna check me out. Then I'm gonna get another fan because I'm doing it. So I'm hoping you're doing it. Be a smart rapper. I got your back. I'm teaching y'all. So that's why it's called Smart Rapper. Look, I know it may be weird talking about ringtones. It has been a little bit weird. It was weird for me writing this script. I was like, are they even gonna understand why this is actually useful? And I hope that you understand why this was useful. And I think that if you made it this far into the video, you did. But I want you to think about this. If you have 1,000 fans and 200 people have you as their ringtone, those people are now hardcore fans because they're hearing your voice and your ad lib or your song every day. All these little things, they add up, and I think of these. I'm coming up with these ideas for you guys that are outside of the box that most people don't think of how we can do something that's free for us to do. 15 minutes of time investment to make us money back and promote and grow. This is what that is, okay? Now, don't forget I have products below you guys can check. I got music marketing ideas and strategies. I have rap flow courses. I have how to write lyrics courses. I have how to write song choruses courses. I have all kinds of courses, how to build your website. We now actually offer the ability for us to build your website for you as an artist, and we can do all these things for you and allow the download section. We can do everything, okay? We do all of it. We even make lyric videos. We're starting to do song mixes, so we'll actually mix your songs for you. I mean, everything that you guys need. I'm making this a one-stop shop. I really am. I'm making Smart Rapper's already #1, but I want to stay #1. I don't want anybody getting anywhere near us, okay? And we're only going up, and I'm bringing you with me, okay? So keep hustling, gang. I'm gonna see you at the top. Please hit subscribe and hit that little bell because I release a new video every single day, and I want you to get notified so you can keep learning. Every day a new video. I believe in you. I'm trying to teach you what I'm learning, what I'm thinking, so I can help you out. Check the links below. Keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top.
Smart Rapper gang.